Have you ever wondered which BIOS version your computer is running so you can check if there's a newer update available? Here's how to find your current BIOS version in just a few simple steps. First, go to Start and search for System Information. Here, search for BIOS version date. For me, is F12 released on 21/05/2026. Another way to check your BIOS version is through CMD, command prompt, by using WMIC, Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line. For this, you need first to install WMIC from Windows. To do that, we go to Start, search for Optional Updates, click on View Features, see Added Features, and search for WMIC, and add it. After you add WMIC, head out to Start, search for CMD, and open it. Here, write the command as it's shown on screen and press Enter. Now, you can easily see your current BIOS version.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. And also check us out at fpsforge.gg.